jump with this one right here. As soon as I heard this, yo, Boo Man, you know I had to come straight to the studio, lay it down like this, homie. Look. Hey, shake. Your boy Bully up in here. Y'all know how I do. I don't even know why y'all act like y'all jump on this one right here. As soon as I heard this, yo, Boo Man, you know I had to come straight to the studio, lay it down like this, homie. Look. Hey, look, check it out. Respect my conglomerate. We'll get hit with the same force that can turn one land to 7 continents. Incompetence is no match for skill and true ability. Yet they keep grilling me, plotting on killing what they simply can't kill. I'ma give my life to the day I lay still. And even when I'm gone, the legend to live on through my legacy of repping my city and through my song. Through my seeds, my nieces and nephews. Big business, you looking at the best view. And nah, they don't wanna see me blow, but I don't just play for the league, I'm CEO. Body more zone, spitting fire on track. So when I put out a vinyl, it's the wire on wax. True man story gon' sell like crack. Finally that orange and black on the map. We here, the purple and gold, I'm hurt.